Hello there. My first live stream happened and, well, let's just say it went as expected for this tech disaster. We've had it all. Bugs in my self-made streaming overlay, forgetting the push-to-talk button, heavily distorted audio because I set the input sensitivity of my mic way too loud, etc. And then obviously my issues with formulating coherent English sentences as a non-native speaker. Honestly, live streaming is hard, and it just further elevated my respect for those who can do this in a passionate and entertaining way, because my brain literally went to mush as soon as I clicked on the live button, and I forgot everything I knew about coding and Godot, but also about basic functioning. So I think you could call this a pretty normal first stream. For those of you who couldn't see it, I decided to edit it a little to improve the viewer experience, level the audio a bit, even if I couldn't retroactively fix all the distorted and glitchy audio, and re-uploaded it as a VOD, and this is what you're seeing now. Enjoy the scuff! Okay, I hope everything works fine. I'm very nervous. Yeah, I hope you liked the starting soon screen. I put a lot of work into it, and yeah. Okay, I still have some technical issues to fix here, but it should be alright. I'll figure it out. Okay, yeah. To my stream today, I set up a few rules. You can see them on screen right now. Please be a little bit patient when I'm coding, because it's hard to concentrate on both commenting and, yeah, doing stuff at the same time. Also, I need to translate everything in my head because I'm a German, and yeah. I hope the audio is alright and the music is not too loud or too soft. Just tell me if something is wrong, and I'll try to fix it. Also, keep in mind that at some point I might have to put a break in because social issues here as a single parent, and yeah. So let me put Godot a bit larger, and that we can start. Oh no. As you can see, I opened up the game, and I need to fix my monitor. So, as you can see right here, there are the whole UI things I made, and I just show you how it looks like in GIMP when I set it up. So this is the interface I made in GIMP, and I basically used Flux to generate this image, and then I basically tried to copy the elements from this image and recreated them, redrew them, fixed the colors a bit, and updated the resolution, and I cropped those, and I'm gonna put them into the game now. Okay, I'm gonna fix the music real quick. Okay, is this better now? I think it should be better now. And okay, I think we can now finally start. I hope. Man, this is really stressful. I don't know how streamers do this. I'm definitely not made for this. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'll start by putting the UI elements I made onto the screen so that we can see what I did here. And we're gonna make them into the UI today. So let's start with something easy. I want to replace the icon SVG of Godot. And yeah, you have to go today. And what's a bit difficult here is because Godot basically expects complete textures, and I made the buttons essentially different layers. I think I gotta fix this in GIMP first so that I put them together. I forgot about this. So let's open up GIMP real quick and put the layers of the button together. Okay, so here's GIMP. I always need to open GIMP and close GIMP on the first monitor because I'm recording my second screen. And when I'm opening my files, then you might see pictures that might get me banned. So I need to be a bit careful. Need to save this, so I move this over. 1 second, please. Okay, we should be back now. And if I refresh this, then the new buttons should show up. Yeah, you have pressed at normal now. Great. And we need to adjust the size. And where was this again? Layout, transform. Yeah, there it is. Okay, let's try it out. If it works, if I press the button, that it shows an animation here. And it does not, so we gotta fix this. First, let me set up the project so that it doesn't show in full mode, because I want Windows mode, obviously, so you can see it and I can close it easier. Are these actually different from each other? They are not. Why? Why? I did this. I need to change this. This sucks. Wait a second. I need to fix this in GIMP. Oh man, this is a nice start. Okay, let's save it again, this time with a bit more difference between each other. So that actually looks like the button is pressed. Yeah, okay. Okay, back in Godot, let's check it out. Technically, it should already have updated, so let's do a quick playtest. But they are clearly different from each other now. Why doesn't it work? Do I need to redraw the texture into the button? I have no idea what's going on here. But we figured it out. I want to replace the customer bar stuff, so let's open up these elements here. Oh man, this is... I'm so nervous, I forgot the basic things about Godot. This is really annoying. Ah, there it is. Okay, I forgot that I don't have this open anymore. Okay, this is supposed to be easy. I just need to put the element in the background and replace this button here that already exists. Okay, let's put the backdrop in too. Yeah, okay. We need to put this above, and we also want this to be a texture rect and not just a 2D image. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this label should be children of a container get their position and size determined by their parent. Okay. Oh, because it's part of this grid here. Okay, I understand. I should have designed this differently. Well, let's not care about the text for a while and fix the problem that the game runs in full screen mode. We want to fix this first so that we can test it easier. Oh, right. Now the button is gone because we no longer have this inside the visible texture part. So in the visible viewport. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Okay, it's a bit too large. We need to rescale it, but this should be an easy fix. Also, it's borderless mode for some reason and doesn't have a close button. That can be fixed easy. But it's not easy to fix for this because it literally does not allow me to set the scale. Why is this again? Ah, geez, why is every element in Godot different from the other? It doesn't allow me to set the container size either, so must be something else going on here. I just want to rescale this texture. How can this be so hard? Wait, can I just scale the entire container? Wait, I can just scale the entire element, right? Yeah, this might be a solution. Layout, transform, scale. And it's still big. Why is it still big? That doesn't make sense. I just rescaled it. Okay, now we're talking. Now it's working. Awesome. Okay, we're one step closer. Now we want to replace the funny buttons here. And I just noticed I didn't import the texture for this. Back to GIMP I go. Okay, there is the culprit, this small circle thing here. This is what we need. And I need to crop the part of the image. And we need to uncheck everything else. Okay, we should have it in Godot now. Yes, here it is. Okay. Yes, okay. That's the right thing. Need to change the type. Type texture-rect. Texture button? No. Texture-rect. Texture-rect. There it is. Okay. And rescaling, layout, transform, scale. Okay. Now that I see it, I should have probably not planned to make this UI stuff on this live stream because, yeah, it's really hard to do this UI stuff and concentrate on moderating as well. So I probably switch to some coding now because I'm getting a bit frustrated here. This is something I better do off screen. I mean, it's looking better and better, but I need to fix the problem with the texture, with the boxes here, and this is not easy to fix, so I do something that's easier to do for me now. So we wanted to implement some stats, and this is something that's a bit more less brainy, so I think I feel more comfortable doing this now. Okay, so we're in the servant script and I want to implement some stats now. And yeah, so let's start by talking about what stats we want. I basically mentioned some in my first ever devlog. So yeah, we basically want the standard RPG stuff. So let's start with things like intelligence. And let's continue with actually, maybe I should go back and check out what I mentioned there, because I forgot half of them. Not gonna lie. I really need a more tighter design. Oh yeah, this was definitely one of the stats I had. Also, I think we had dexterity or something as well. Okay, now that we got them added to the servant, we also want them in the servant template, because we need the default values that the characters start out with. And the fourth one was dexterity, I think. We can always change what they do later on. Also, I'm using floats here because then I can potentially use this to level up these stats behind the scenes by increasing the decimals. And now if we go to the templates, we did know these are the customer templates. We need the character templates. Yeah, servant templates. Okay, let's test this out. And oh no, we need to translate the defaults into the dynamic variable stats when we create a character from a default. Okay, let's test here if this properly carries over and displays in the debugger. So, just so that we don't make a mistake. And it works. Okay. Wait, why does it display twice? Oh, of course, because we have two characters. Now that makes sense, and I didn't initialize the values for the other character. Okay, so everything is working fine. I need to think about this a little bit, but now I figured it out, and of course, that's obvious. Yes, now it shows both numbers correctly. Okay, yeah. All right, we fixed this. Oh no, we didn't fix it, but it wasn't a bug in the first place. I think we also need some kind of experience stat, so let's implement this as well. Oh no, actually, let's make this just derank, because we can do this as a float and combine experience and level in one stat. This makes it easier to calculate. Okay, let's set some defaults here. So yeah. And my kid just woke up. That's what I was telling you in Discord, that it might happen. I guess I gotta call it a day now. And yeah, very scuffed first stream. I tried my best. Well, thanks for tuning in. I have to take care of her now, or else, yeah, well, I don't want to be a bad parent. Yeah, we didn't get anything done today. I need to make more plans if I'd ever do this again. But it was an experience. So, this was my first live, and I guess you could call it a learning experience. Thanks to everyone who showed up. I had like 15 viewers at the end, and I was really amazed seeing that, because I literally didn't see the numbers until after the stream ended. The next video will be a devlog in which we fix all the unfinished mess we started here, and yeah, hope to see you there again. Bye bye.